Lift at Princess Alexandra Hospital. This might be the only one I can film.
Going down.
KDS, what's it called? The voice? Jeez. KAU1 voice. This moving? Doesn't feel like it is.
Ground floor.
Here it is, never mind. Gee, this thing's not in good condition at all.
Going down.
Oh shit. It's locked. Where it came from is locked.
Basement. Going up.
Is ground the exit or is one the exit?
Huh?
Is ground the exit or is one the exit?
One.
Oh, okay, I need to go to one then.
Yeah, one. I'm on top of ground.
Ground floor. Going up.
There's another one in there. I know that is. I clicked one before, it wasn't working. Does he have a magical touch or something?
First floor.
Oh, it's hydraulic. I was wondering why I said jolty. And bouncy.